together for a very special ceremony honoring a Marine veteran. The Final Salute Society was a part of a private first-class James Brooks funeral. Now, he did not have any family in the area when they said goodbye. Now, so far, Michael Coyle with the Knights of Columbus and other groups, they teamed up.
We're going to create a group of people and we'll go out there and make sure that no guy goes in, the girl goes into the ground alone.
Coyle said anyone interested in being part of the veterans' funerals can contact the Final Salute Society.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
Today, hot, especially after the sun came out. Tomorrow, expecting even worse.
It looks like it'll be the hottest day of the year thus far. And, like I mentioned, we've only had 4 days in the 90s. So, it's about time. 91 was the high temperature today. And like James said, we had some stubborn cloud cover. So we stayed in the 80s a lot of the day. But once that sun really started to come out in the late afternoon, early evening, we actually bumped up into the low 90s, peaking at 91 degrees in Dayton. Many of you got up to 90. Bell Fountain, 90. Looks like, where else up north? Well, Greenville, 90 degrees. Got close to it in Salina, so comfortable enough to take a dip maybe in Grand Lake St. Mary's. But it was warm. We're going to be even warmer tomorrow. Temperatures right now still hanging on to 80 in Dayton as well as Salina. That's about it. It looks like the rest of us are in the 70s, but certainly warm for this time of night. And some places were certainly wet, mainly down to the south, kind of the southern edge of our viewing area before you get to Cincinnati. You can see just outside Fairfield, measuring, at least estimated by the radar, over 3 inches of rain. And really anywhere in this yellow, you're getting close to 3 inches, at least 2 inches. You head out to Warren and Butler counties, or it looks like mainly Warren County. There was some yellow there indicating at least near 3 inches. In fact, just south of Morrow, you're looking at 3.1 inches. So they actually had a flash flood warning in Butler County, and you still have one actually in Hamilton County. We also have those heat advisories for everybody right now, but tomorrow starting at noon and until 9 p.m., Montgomery County, Warren County, and Butler County will be under an excessive heat warning. That means heat indices of 105 or above. Now here's the rainfall. You can see most of it's really been down towards Cincinnati and northern Kentucky. Really didn't see that much north of Warren, Butler, and Clinton counties. You're still seeing some of that right now. This is a live radar. The last 3 hours or so, you can see some nice lightning down toward the Ohio River. Now, what about for us in the next couple days? Well, we could see a stray shower or storm tomorrow. That is certainly possible. That'll bring some relief if we do see that, with temperatures expected to get into the 90s. Now, this is a new development here in the Futurecast, this line of storms coming through. I think what it's showing here is that you're going to have a better chance of rain out east in the eastern part of the state. And it does show some thunderstorms here, but a little bit questionable if we're going to see rain at around 5:30 p.m. tomorrow. But I definitely do expect a stray shower now, or a stray storm. Now, Saturday, I still think we're going to see a better chance of some scattered showers and storms. And you can see that illustrated here at noon and then even a bit into the evening on Saturday. So your 7-day forecast calls for a stray storm tomorrow, a high of 96. Again, heat indices above 105 in some spots. And then a little bit more comfortable Saturday with a low of 63 Sunday morning, and then pretty seasonable for a couple days, trending dry next week.
Thank you, Robert. New tonight, the U.S. Senate passed the National Defense Authorization Act, which